man is just bringing us the fresh catch.
So what size do you want to get, sir?
Yeah, you pick them out.
We have 20, 25, 30, 40.
Well, you tell me how they run.
The small one go for 20.
With small. Show us one of the small ones for 20. Let me see a 31.
Too much bigger than that.
This one right here.
That's a $30 one too?
No, this bigger than 30.
You said that's a $30 one too?
No, this bigger than 30.
I know. Give me that one and the 20.
Which one?
It's the first one he had.
What's that one back over there? The one that he's laying on top. Yeah. The one he's laying. No, not that one. Those two back here, like.
Which one? Here in the corner?
Like the third, second, and third. Those. How much are those?
Right, this one?
How much is that one? That's a 32. Good gosh.
That's a 30.
You want one of those? Can't get it for 25? Come on, man.
They're expensive. Everybody from the fisherman.
You getting them out here in the fishing water.
I don't fish fry, bro. I bite.
Oh, you buy?
By himself.
Okay.
Okay.
Do them up nice for us, then.
Yeah.
The fresh catch of the day. Tell them what your name is.
Dynamite.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Gets no fresher than that. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
You taking it back?
Yeah, we're gonna take it down. We're gonna walk the beach down.
So when they see this, hey, we got one.
Right. Right. Y'all ask for Dynamite.
Right.
Yeah. That's how you do it. He's screaming, trying to get away, but he can't get away. He's done now. So what we playing over here, Chef? What we doing over here? Okay. Yeah. Going next to the lobster that's still moving, trying to get away.
When I see it moving, that's a nerve.
Okay.
Just like killing the chicken.
Right.
Yeah.
fresh. By Dynamite.
Yeah, man. I take you know, support that my rum here.
All right. While your food is cooking, it's a little bar over here. You can get your red stripe from. Chill, relax. Where you getting your fresh, straight out the water. My man.
This is Martin out of the market.
Martin.
Two fishing.
Yes, sir. All right. That's the man. Without Martin, Dynamite is a firecracker. I do the weather, like since we had all that rain, do that bring them in more, or are they just more active? Or?
Lobsters are like turtle, so they stay at one spot for a long time.
Okay.
So what happens is like certain time of the year they will move.
Okay.
When they're gonna mate, they move, you know?
Okay.
To a different spot.
You kind of know now what area they're in. What
Time of the year, then catch a lot of them at that time. Years like 3 months, then I supposed to get. April, May, June.
And what's the reason why?
By the right, you're not supposed to catch that time. And then after that it's good because we just came out of the close season.
You're close, yeah.
We just came out of that.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Got you.
All right.
That's what's up.
He's out there weaving, just like he's breathing. He's just weaving with no effort.
Just like the tools got on his head.
Right. Yeah. Plating the food. Man, this is gonna be so good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I give you a finger licking good, man.
Yeah.
And remember the signs over there. So you
Yes, sir. Yep.
see my shirt right here.
Yes, sir. You need lobster? Come see Dynamite. Oh, yeah.
You got the lobster.
We'll be all right. You know we got a floss. We got a floss down there. All right.